The diagram shows three cargo ships A, B and C, which are in the same horizontal plane. Ship B is 50 kilometres due north of ship A. The bearing of C from A is 20 degrees. We need to calculate the distance between the ships B and C in kilometres. So we've got this triangle here. We can use the cosine rule to work out the length of the question. So, question mark squared. 50 squared plus 70 squared minus 2 times 50 times 70 times the cosine of the angle in between them, which is 20 degrees. So putting all of that into my calculator, we get 822.15. Don't forget to square root your answer. And we get 28.67 kilometres. So that's the distance between ships B and C. The question did say to give my answer to three significant figures, so I'm going to say 28.7 kilometres. Part B of the question says to calculate the bearing of ship C from ship B. So the bearing of C from B, so the direction that ship B needs to travel on to go to ship C, which is the angle clockwise from north, so it's that angle there. Well, considering that I know all of the sides in that yellow triangle, there's the 70 kilometres and the 28.7 kilometres, I can use that information to work out angle ABC. And then if I subtract that from 180, that's going to give me the red bearing that I'm looking for. So we're going to use the cosine rule for angles to work out this missing angle here. I'll call it X. Just a quick reminder about the cosine rule for angles. Remember that the cosine rule generally is a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. And I'm just going to rearrange that quickly to make cos a the subject. So I'm going to add the 2bc cos a to the left-hand side. And I'm going to subtract the a squared from both sides. And then I'm going to divide by 2bc. Important thing when using this formula is that the side A has to be the side that is opposite the angle we're trying to work out. The B and the C don't matter. So in this case, my A has to be 70 because that's the one that's opposite the X that I'm trying to work out. So cos X, the B and the C don't matter. So my B is going to be the 28.67 from before, which I've still got on my calculator display, so I'll just use the answer button, plus the C, which is the 50, minus the A, which is the 70, obviously both of those squared. 2 times B times C, so 2 times the answer times 50. So putting that into my calculator display, that gives me minus 0.55028, blah, blah, blah. I'm then going to do cos inverse of that to work out the actual angle X. So shift cos answer, and we get 123.386, which means the bearing, the angle that I actually wanted, is going to be 180 minus that, which is 56.6 degrees. And there we go.